The Canary Islands continue to struggle due to the volcanic eruption. The volcano erupted on Sunday afternoon in the south of La Palma, one of 7 islands that make up the Canary Islands. The volcano vent remains active and streams of lava continue to flow. Lava has destroyed hundreds of buildings and forced the evacuation of more than 6,100 people. The island has a population of 85,000. An aerial view of La Palma shows plumes of smoke and flowing lava. A 4.2 magnitude earthquake had struck the island before the eruption of the volcano. Scientists say that they identified thousands of small earthquakes before the eruption. They call it an earth swarm, an indication of approaching eruptions. Scientists have said that lava flow from the eruption could continue for weeks or even months. It's been 5 days since the eruption of the volcano and lava continues to flow out of the vents. The lava is slowly moving towards the coast of La Palma. A single house in La Palma of the Canary Islands remains standing amid the flowing streams of lava. The image of the single house remaining unaffected in the middle of lava streams has gone viral on social media. The house is located in El Paraiso, where several homes and schools have been destroyed by the volcano. Scientists working on volcanology have set up a makeshift lab to examine the volcano system. The makeshift lab is located 5 kilometers away from the active volcano site. Scientists said that they are conducting tests on material coming out of the volcano. They say it helps them to better understand the volcanic systems to predict the aftermath of volcanoes. On Thursday, Joanna Sanchez, a resident of La Palma, evaded the lava flow by escaping in her boat from the fishing district of El Remo in the marine reserve of La Palma. Assisted by the civil guard, she made it to Puerto de Tazacorte. A volcanologist working in the Canary Islands said that there is still more time for the lava to reach the coast of La Palma. Scientists have said that lava could cause explosions and release toxic gases once it comes into contact with the water. Spanish King Philip VI and Queen Letizia visited an emergency center where technicians and emergency streams are monitoring the volcanic eruption. Philip VI and Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez visited La Palma Island and spoke with people affected by the eruption of the volcano. They greeted the emergency services working in the area.